Hello, and thank you for joining us today on GSU's Thought Leadership Interview Series. I am Michelle Sabasco, Director of GSU's School of Extended Learning Academic Partnerships. And today we're interviewing Dr. Liu from GSU's Health Administration Department. Welcome, Dr. Liu.
Thank you, Michelle, for having me.
Of course, and we want to get to know you a little bit. Can you tell us who you are, Dr. Liu?
Sure. I am the chair of the Department of Health Administration at GSU. I am also the program director for the master's degree of health administration. The department offers 4 programs at both undergraduate and graduate levels. So my job as a chair is to make sure our programs serve the best interest of students. We partner with Kankakee Community College to offer students a seamless transition into our bachelor degree of health administration program. Our bachelor degree program is one of the only 3 programs accredited by AUPHA in the state of Illinois.
Thank you so much, Dr. Liu, and I'm going to share a screen here. Can you tell us a little bit more about your program?
Yes. Our program, as I mentioned, one of the things I'm so proud of is that our program is accredited by AUPHA, and that is Association of University Programs in Health Administration. Now, the programs offers the degree of at undergraduate level. It typically trains students to be healthcare managers. After they graduate, they work in healthcare system at entry-level positions.
Thank you so much. And can you talk about the interesting classes that students will be taking if they join the program?
Oh, yes. We offer 3 sets of classes, and one of them is a general ed courses. I think most students know what the general ed courses may offer. For our major courses as a healthcare administration program, we offer skills of business such as accounting, economics, and other business-oriented project management courses. We also offer soft skills such as personal skills, communication skills, and leadership skills in our programs. The last part I want to mention is our courses are very small in size and is flexible. We offer evening classes as well.
That's great. And I know we just established a brand new partnership with Kankakee Community College. So in addition to that, we're going to be offering classes there. So that's exciting.
Yes, it's very exciting.
How about interesting trends that you've observed in the industry?
Oh, that's such a great question. We have so many trends, but top 5 noticeable trends in healthcare industry include the advancement in technology and the movement from away from the therapeutical centered care to preventive care, from individual care to population care, and also the trend about social media, use of social media, and use of the technologies such as health informatics technology to manage a healthcare system. I also want to mention the healthcare system is increasingly aware. Sorry, you have to cut out this part. We also have increased awareness in racial disparities in healthcare system and in healthcare management jobs. So GSU does a great job to make a contribution to train minority students, to educate minority students, to prepare them to work in healthcare system, to reduce the racial disparities. And the last one I want to mention is the population-based healthcare system. We focus on process improvement. We focus on providing quality care for the population we serve.
Got it. I think technology and just equity and diversity is going to play a huge role in the next couple of years. So while we're talking about that, what does health administration look like in 5 years and maybe even beyond that?
Oh, yes. You know, the US Department of Labor reports that a bachelor's degree is a typical entry-level educational requirement for those aspiring to work as healthcare managers in the medical and healthcare services system. So healthcare administration careers are growing and growing fast. The demand for the next 10 years, probably 5 and beyond 5 years, to next 10 years will increase by 20%. And that is higher than the average of all occupations. So this is what we all are expecting, and hopefully the trend will be true even after the COVID-19 pandemic. It's probably will even higher than the 20%.
That's tremendous. That is tremendous growth. So we want to know though, right now, what are your students doing after they graduate?
Oh, yes, and I think I can see it on the screen. Our students, when they graduate, 60 to 65% of them will find a job in healthcare system within 3 to 6 months. So the job or the job title typically our students may have in the healthcare system will be hospital or physician's office administrators, nursing home managers, and health insurance agents, healthcare consultant, healthcare human resources managers, and some of them will work in pharmaceutical companies, and some of them become to be public health educators.
That's very fast, 3 to 6 months after they graduate. That's incredible.
Yes.
So we want to know next, all this sounds great. Why should students choose GSU's health administration program?
Yes, as I mentioned earlier, our program, our BHA program, is one of the 3 accredited programs in the state of Illinois. So why do we want to, why students should choose accredited program? Here is the reason. Accredited program is recognized by external stakeholders, by prospective students, their families, and employers, because the program is distinguished from peer programs by the quality of the program offers, and also the rigor the program goes through to obtain the accreditation. So when students graduate, they are very similar, have similar credentials with other students graduated from BHA program. But from accredited program, it demonstrates you are graduated from a quality program recognized by the Association of University Programs in Health Administration. Some employers specifically looking for students graduated from accredited programs. and the families do want to invest their future in accredited programs. Secondly, GSU really offers value to students' education. We have very low tuition cost, but we offer the top quality education programs. And BHA program is one of them. I also mentioned earlier, we have a smaller class size, so professors pays attention to individual students. We have evening classes, we have online classes. All of these provide flexibility to students.
Flexibility, value, maximize the number of transfer hours up to 80 hours GSU will accept. A lot of scholarship opportunities available to students, from dual degree program to AIM High scholarship. And I'll just say lastly that a lot of students, if they're strategic in where they're applying for scholarship funds and financial aid, they can graduate with minimal debt, if any. So I think those are important
Yes.
to mention too. And we want to know just a little bit more. What's motivating you, Dr. Liu, every day?
That's a very good question. You know, I know many students, undergraduate students or students from community colleges, they know a lot about nursing program, and many of them choose nursing career. And I was one of them. I was very interested in the nursing program when I just graduated from high school, and I got into nursing program and worked with taking care of patients, working in a clinical setting. And I realized that to make significant contribution, not only just to take care of patients on a one-to-one basis, but make a significant contribution to the healthcare system and to the population, I wanted to do something that is bigger at individuals, beyond individuals level. And that's how motivated me to pursue health management degree. And health management degree prepared me to work as not only a professor, but also someone who knows how to make the change in healthcare system, the management and the policy. So that makes me want to make contributions and give back and let students know what they can do when they pursue healthcare administration degree to change, to make improvement in healthcare management and the policy.
Thank you so much, Dr. Liu. You are a true service leader, and we appreciate you. We are lucky to have you at GSU.
Thank you, Michelle.
You're welcome. It's really been a pleasure getting to know you a little bit better. I do want to close to let you know that GSU offers classes from our Bachelor of Health Administration at Kankakee Community College. We'll begin that partnership starting fall of 2021. If you'd like more information about that partnership, please reach out to me. I'm Michelle. My contact information is on the screen. We also offer classes from the Bachelor of Health Administration at our main campus and of course online. For more information, I am Michelle M. Sabasco at govst.edu or 708-235-3983. Thanks so much, Dr. Liu.
Thank you, Michelle.